Hello, today we are going to look at the XLOOKUP value, and we are going to see how it's being used in Excel. So the first thing when using either VLOOKUP or XVLOOKUP is to convert your data into a table and also converting the values that you're looking up into a table. So in this case, we're looking up for these values, the cookies here, and this is the table that we'll be using that has the data point that we want to look for. So I highlight this data point data, and then I'll come here and format it on style, format as a table, and you select the table that you want, the format you want, and make sure that it is marked my table as headers has been checked and press OK. The next part is to highlight where you want the table that has what you're looking for and also convert it as a table. Okay. So when you do that, the next thing is just to dive into the XLOOKUP value. So you come here and press is equals to XLOOKUP. You're going to open the bracket and we are looking up for this value for the chocolate, for the first one, then comma, and we are looking array. Our looking array is this one. That is our looking array. Then we press comma, and it's asking for the return array. This is the return, and then comma, and okay, there's a mail. Let's do that again. Is equals to XLOOKUP and then you're looking for this value. You're going to press comma, and then you're looking array. The looking array is this, the name, the cookie's name, then press comma, and we are going to return array. It's the price. We are highlighting the price, and the next thing, you just press another comma, choose exact match, and press enter. And with that, you can see our prices for each cookie that you're looking for has been found. So the next thing is to highlight it, and we are converting it back to currency. So currency like that, and you can see that is how we use the XLOOKUP function. Yes, we can add other data like this one. Let's add them so that we can repeat the formula and see how it works. You see, that's the best part of using a table. So if I copy even all of these and I paste them here, since we used a table, it is easier to paste the value and you'll get the prices that you need. Like that, you can see the VLOOKUP function is still working for all these values, and that's why I always advise the first thing when you're looking up when you're using XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP is to convert the table that you have into the data set that you have into a table. Also convert the values that you're looking for into a table also, and then proceed to input the XLOOKUP function and the VLOOKUP function. And with that, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like the video. Thank you. See you soon.